Hi everyone, so I'm back to do the complete flip through of the concertina pouch and the trifold folio journal that I've just done 3 parts in. So I've got how I made this and how I made this in my Let's Make playlist, and it will also be on the main streaming page as well. So I've shown you how to do this and do this. Great fun, took me hours, but I enjoyed doing it. Like doing the videos to it as well, because it kind of gets your brain thinking a little bit when you have to think about each step of the way for videoing. So I'll show you this quickly. That was the first thing that I made using a block bottom paper bag. I've used my own kit, which is called Blu Butterflies, and that will all be linked below. There's a couple of freebies with that too. I've also used some French ephemera kit from ARTYmaze and some other oddment kits in here. I will link them below as well. So and this will be listed in my shop as a one thing, so it's not getting sold separately, it's coming as a package. So the stuffed pouch measures 8.5 by 4 1/4 with 4 sections, and obviously it's stuffed. So there we go. Quickly, I don't need to say too much. You can go back and watch the videos. So that's the freebie page that you get, and this is the page that you get with the kit. I've used some vintage music paper inside here, and you know, like I said, I've shown you how to do this in the tutorial. So in the first pouch, what do we have? This is from ARTYmaze, and this is from the oddment kit. This is a little freebie you get in my shop that kind of matches this, and it's just got some coffee dyed paper for you to journal on. And then we have this, which is from ARTYmaze's French ephemera kit. These are all original French ephemera, which she has scanned and manipulated. So kind of one-off pieces, I would imagine. A tag from my kit. This is from the oddment kit. And I made up some journaling cards on some index cards using the main page from my kit. So that's in pocket number 1. And pocket number 2, we have a tag here from the French ephemera kit from ARTYmaze. This is from ARTYmaze as well. I just need to take that little bit off. So there's that. And then you get another tag from my kit. This is the oddment kit, and then there's another index card, journal card that I made. So that's in pocket number 2. Pocket number 3, we have a piece of French ephemera from ARTYmaze. It's all been coffee dyed. Another tag from the French ephemera kit. This is from the oddment kit. This is the oddment kit as well. And this is a journal card I made with the index card. So that's pocket number 3. Pocket number 4, we have some French ephemera and some more French ephemera. It's a great little kit. Tag from my kit, oddment kit, French ephemera kit, the oddment kit, and from my kit. So that's what you get in the pouch. And we'll set that to one side. Right, with the trifold, when it's closed, it measures 8.5 by 4 1/4. When it's fully opened, it still measures 8 1/4, obviously, but when it's fully opened, it measures 13 3/4. I'm sure of that. And we've got that. Right, so let's start. So on the front cover here, we have a window envelope, which obviously I've shown you how to do in the videos. On the spine pieces here, I put some crocheted trim. When we open it up, we have this first pocket, and obviously it's all from the kit. There is some French ephemera in here, so and I showed you how to do all this as well. I've done some stamping, tag from the kit with a tab on the top, another tag, Little Moments Big Memories. This is ARTYmaze's French ephemera, and this tag is from my kit. I'll show you the pockets first, then I'll do the journal. Large pocket with the kit. Inside there we have some more French ephemera. And another tag from the kit. Some more stamping. Little side tuck here. Some more stamping. Tag from the kit. A stamped tag here. It says Hope. And some more French ephemera. And I've done the ruler around that, so it's a bit of a raggedy edge. That goes in there. Then this pocket here, which would obviously close like that. It's got the corner tuck. And I didn't use all the pockets, believe it or not. I think I've still got about 4 left. So you do get a lot of pockets with this kit. Tag from the kit. A stamped coffee dyed tag with some glimmer mist in there. We have some more French ephemera. And that goes in there. And a tag which I made from the freebie page. That doesn't want to go in now. There we go. On the back we have, and what I done was I wrapped the organza ribbon around but put it behind there so that it wasn't like strapping that down. Stamping. I keep thinking I'm going out of frame. Another tag that nope, that's from the kit. I thought I made that from the page, but I think that's from the kit. Another tag says that this book belongs to. Another piece of French ephemera. And another tag from the kit. And I think, yep, okay, just made sure I've done everything. So the journal, that measures 7 3/4 by 4 1/8, one signature, 40 pages in there, and there's a few pockets and tags. So that's the freebie page, and you see me how I done that. Page from the kit, pocket from the kit, tag. I'm not sure whether is that from the kit or it's a freebie, one of the two, can't remember now. Some French ephemera, and I just folded that little piece over because I didn't like the fact that it was way up like that, because I like to see peaks of things that I've got in there. And another tag from the kit. Some music paper, some more music paper. Here we just have another tag from the kit and some French ephemera from ARTYmaze, and I've done the ruler tearing around the edge. All the pages are coffee dyed. The Sealed Design Shop, so is that. And then I put 2 pockets in the centre of the signature. Inside there is another tag from the kit. And another piece of French ephemera from ARTYmaze. 13th of June 1934, that was stamped. And Andrea's the lucky one, she's got the originals. And I've glued something in. Tag from the kit. And another piece of French ephemera from ARTYmaze, little stamp there, 1945. That was the year my mum was born. Or was it my dad? Can't remember. No, I think it was my mum. A tag I made from the freebie page, and that's a little flip. You could glue that down to make a pocket. And another piece of French ephemera, and I've done the tearing with the ruler. I don't have the tear ruler, I just use a normal ruler, my Tim Holtz ruler. Little flip there, more coffee dyed paper, another flip, And another flip. I mean, you could actually fold that in again and make a shorter little tuck, like say like that, if you wanted to. I used a piece of the freebie page to make this pocket. Inside there is a French ephemera from ARTYmaze, and another little envelope, which is the freebie, and we just have some paper in there. So the time you see this could be like silly o'clock in the morning, because the videos are taking absolutely ages to upload. I've got the oh, and that's the back. So there we have it. So this, everything just fell out. That was clever, wasn't it? I'll sort that in a sec. Oh, everything is just falling out. It's because I didn't tie it up. So I made that first. The video to that is up. I've done the first part of the video to this, and the second part is going to be that. And then, well, actually, the time you've seen this, all the other parts will be up. So I shall shut up. Okay, getting confused then how to flip and flap this over. So like I said, this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. Please go over and watch the you know, the other parts to this, because I'm putting this as part 3, even though it's just a flip through. It's just so that it's all together somewhere on my YouTube channel. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thank you for watching. Bye.